Hello friends, today we are going to look at basics of HTML and we shall see how they are used to make the structures, the web structure or the web frame, whatever you call it. But today it's what we are going to look at. So far now, you are on my desktop. These are the 3 apps I'm interested in. Okay, the first one, this is the very important one that you need, the VS Code editor. Let me separate it. The VS Code editor will help you to code. This is your environment. It's your space. You put here your input, you see here your output from the code browser. Then this one, you don't need it. It's for my recordings. It's what I'm using now to present to you. It is the OBS Studio. Okay, without wasting time, let's check it out. If you want to download this software, Visual Studio Code, you can go to Google Chrome, search for VS Code download. Okay. It's VS Code download. Yeah. Tap on that. There is for Mac, Linux, and Windows. From there, you can go with Ubuntu. Then, if you have Mac, you can go with Mac. If you know that you have the Mac operating system, you can go with Mac. But since for me I have it, if you don't have it, continue and download it according to your operating system. If you don't have it, if you have it, then you can continue from here. Back to my desktop. Now let's create our first project from the desktop. We can create here a new file and we call it a name, but I'm going to show you the unique way of getting it from the VS Code editor. Now open your VS Code editor. This is not good. Let me first go with a fresh. Let me remove everything. At first, we need it to be free. At first, it's like this. Nothing is there. Now, if you want to create a project, you can come here. This is our VS Code editor. If you want to create a new project, come here. At the top, there is the word file. Tap on file. Then go down on open folder. Then what you can do, look for the location. Let's create it on desktop. Let's create on desktop. Then you can right click, then new, create the folder here. Let's call it HTML. We can call it either index or HTML. Let me call it index folder. Then tap in the index. It is selected automatically here. Then select it. Here we are. Now from here we can try to see how we can move around with this. Now since we are on HTML today, we are going to create a file here called index.html. Then if you press enter, it opens. Here the extension .html, it is an HTML extension, but let's say we are creating a style sheet. Let's say something like style.css. I see that it's for CSS, or you can create another one for other language, like let's say me php. This is a me file. You can call it any. The reason why I'm doing that, you can call it any name. Let's enter. You can create the me.php, but we are not interested in php or css. Let me delete that. Come delete that. Delete. Then we are on our index in an index.html file. Here we are. Now let's start from there. Today we are going to cover up the HTML basics. Now from here we can do something. Let me be clear. Now let me say HTML, then let's choose 5. HTML5 to bring this automatically. This is the this is the doc type HTML. This is what it is rendered through the browser first. This is what the browser sees first, is the doc type. Then for the case of the meta tags, today let's not talk about it. Let's not talk about this today. We are going to see it in future. Here it's where we put our title. You can put a title, let's say HTML basics. HTML basics. Come here. Interested in everything we do with what is seen on the web browser, it is pressed in between the body tags. Now let's start with our tags. Let me first define a tag. A tag, HTML tags defines how the web browser must format and display the content. Now when I put a heading tag, it will bring a heading. If I put a form, it will bring a form, as we shall be saying. Let's do it and we see it, because here we work on with practical things are seen. Okay, we shall start with the heading tags. Let me put space here for you. Heading h1, enter. Then let's call it heading, copy, enter. Then h2. Now heading, they run from h1 to h6. Now we shall see the difference. V, enter, 2, 3, Ctrl V, enter, 4, enter, Ctrl V, h5, enter, Ctrl V, h6, enter, Ctrl V. Now these are our heading tags. This is the opening. Let's talk about this. This is the opening and the closing tag. An opening tag, it's the one that an opening tag, it's that it can open. How can I say it? Let me see. The difference between the opening and the closing tag is the slash. This that is the difference. If I put this one, then it becomes, if I put a slash, it becomes what? A heading tag with an opening and a closing tag. I don't know whether I have explained it clearly, but okay, let's move all along and we see the output. I will show you the simple way of getting that one. Let me just first cancel here, minimize, come back, on our index folder here at the top, open, and we see the output. What are you seeing? These are different headings with different sizes, meaning that if you choose H1, it will give you that, H2 will give you that, H3 will give you the next, as you see. Meaning that at any point you need to do heading, you will choose, you make your choice, and I'm no longer going along with this one of first selecting the index. I will show you the simpler way of doing it. Becomes that, come back to my VS Code editor. Yeah. Hey, what the hell? Okay, come back here, my VS Code editor. Those are the heading tags. Now, from there we can see other tags like image tags. Yes. You can see image tags. J, enter. Now there's advantage of using the VS Code as your code editor to help you to do the code for you. If I write, let me cancel it and see. If you remove this and you say img, it will bring the word down here. Now press enter. Now it will bring everything for you. It will help you to code, meaning that you will code for the short time. Now if you have let's say a code editor that don't help you to code, you have to do everything that you're saying. You have to open the angle, write im tag, write the source attribute, write the alternative attribute, and close it. That's how it should be. You should not leave out anything. If you want to get the one that helps you, use the VS Code. It will help you better as a beginner. Now, from here you can put any source of the image. So far now I don't have the image. Now what I can do, come here to my browser. We had this. Come, say food. Food. Yeah, then we come to images. We want to see the image here side. Okay, right click, save as desktop. We have a file called index. Let's call it img as a name. Save, then cancel. Since we have saved the image, no, it didn't come here. Here is our image on the desktop. Direct, you drag it and dump it there. Then get back to our VS Code. Remember, we are in that file. We are in that folder. So the VS Code. Therefore, we shall see the image since we have dumped it there side. If you just say that image, press enter. Now, if you write this name here with its extension .jpg, it will come out just like that. Now, the simpler way of getting the output, this is somehow not good. Now, we shall see the output in a real time. When we want to do that, come here for the what? For the extension. Instead of saying that save, then the first point should be save, then come here, open, then tap on the index, then you see the output as the image. But that one is a bit hectic and it wastes time. Come here in your VS Code, open. We shall come here on extensions. This is the extension icon. Press X, then look for the live server, write the word live server, live server, live server. Come here, say live server, then install it. Here there will be the one install, press that button, install, and install it. Then after that, cancel. The importance, after installing the live server, there will be the word live, go live here. What we shall do next, go to settings icon, then tap on a theme, tap on settings button, then write the word save there. Here they give you the different options. Then look at autosave, choose after delay, then okay, cancel that. Then come here, let's see the magic of that, how it works. Let's see the magic. Okay, if you want half the screen, press window and arrow, either right or left. Let me press that, then like that. Come here, then press go live. Here down, press go live. This is the output. Now you shall see the magic of that. Now this is our image. Remember, we have been on the image. Now you can give the image the width and the what? Let's say 700 pixels. px. It increases in size in real time. It increases direct. If you press it, it gives the output at the same time. Now how it works? After choosing the save option of autosave after a delay, it saves it direct. After typing the value, it saves it direct. Then the live server renders the output. Then you see it direct. That's how you see that. Then you can give it even height, like 1000 px, which will be a big, which it will turn to be big like that. You see, you can remove this. We got our default value. To continue, that is our tag. You can continue with other tags. Our next tag will be a pre-tag.